What is going on, guys? All our reptiles here, and today we are going to be doing a full reptile house tour, I guess. It's not really a room tour because I have two animals downstairs in my toy room, two animals upstairs in my bedroom, and wow, it's really hot up here because I turned off the fan. But this is my Snake Einstein. I've had him the, second longest of all of my reptiles. Shia, my tortoise, is obviously the first. Got her when I was 6, so she's like basically 7, 8 now. But let's start off with the good boy, Einstein. He is a reverse Okatee corn snake. I've had him since, I think, 2016 in like February. And it's kind of an interesting story of how I got him. Don't bite me because I know you're ready for food. Well, I got him by... One second, I gotta put you down. Interestingly enough, I got him by doing a persuasive paper to my parents. Obviously, school, because I'm not, 20. I don't like writing. I don't like reading. I don't like writing. I do like math, but, math's pretty easy. Wow, it's hot up here. But I wrote a persuasive paper saying why I was ready for a new animal, because it was been a few years since I've had Shia. I've upgraded her twice, and then since I've got him and Phoenix, I've upgraded her again. But he was my second reptile. I really wanted Bearded Dragon, but I'm like, wow, they're really calm and easy to care for. I wanted something cool, and I got him. He is, yes, a reverse Okatee corn snake. He is full grown. He is huge, and I love him. I love all of my animals. I would say except Athena, but Athena is a new animal. She's just not used to me. We'll get to her soon enough. Let me go put him away and get on to the next animal. He lives in a 40-gallon enclosure with 2 different hiding spots, a moist hide, a water dish. Oh, look at my toes. Look at those beautiful things. But he has a little sign saying his name. I did that, by the way. Not the handwriting, because that's too good for me. But he lives in a 40-gallon enclosure. He loves it. He literally will come up to the mesh and wants to get out. Because he wants to be held. He loves being held. He's a great ambassador animal for when friends come over and they want to hold them or just look at them, because that's one of my best friend does. No touchy, looky. He doesn't like snakes very much. But that is going to do it for Einstein. Let's go to Phoenix. Walking on over to Athena's cage. She is right here. She is a Tremper albino post het for eclipse. So she does not show the eclipse nature. She just has it in her genes. So if I bred her, which I may do one day. Hello, you want food, don't you? Huh? Yeah, you want food. I have dubia roaches, which I'll be showing you later in the video to see how they're doing. If you haven't seen that video of me getting dubia roaches and building an enclosure for them to breed, go check that video out. But she is a Tremper albino post het eclipse. I did this massive cage update enclosure. I filmed it. It did not turn out very well. I could probably still post it, but it's been months and months and months. But I have 2 pieces of cork bark, multiple grapevine things. This used to be Einstein's and now it's hers. She loves this foliage. I sometimes wake up in the middle of the night because you're crawling on it. Huh, do you want to come up? No? Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Good girl. Look at that. Oh, look at that. You are just beautiful, huh, girly? I would totally, like, put you on my shoulder, but I'm doing a video right now. But she lives in a 25-gallon enclosure. Actually, this is as a long story. This cage was from Shia when she was a tiny baby. And then I got an knoll. And that was his enclosure. Can you focus on the actual lizard, please? There you go. But now it's hers, and I have outfitted it to suit her needs and show that I appreciate her and she is amazing. But she is going to go back down into her enclosure, and she knocked over a calcium bullet. Okay. Well, she just got spooked. And you can't actually see her. Oh. Well, that is going to do it for Phoenix, my leopard gecko. Now we're going to go actually downstairs into my toy room to see the two other animals I have. Well, now we are downstairs at my beautiful tortoise, Shia's enclosure. Is she even in here right now? I don't think she is. She wanders around this room, sometimes going out of the room and around the house. It's kind of fun to watch her run around, but I'm going to find her and then I will see you after. Well, I'm now on the floor, and apparently she was actually in her enclosure, just hiding under the folds of Matt's. Hi, Shia. She is my Russian tortoise, and wow, that UVB light does not help. But she is my beautiful girl. Oh, now you're gonna run away. I know, you don't like being touched very much. I'm sorry. But she lives in this massive, massive enclosure that I built for her. I was going to do a video on this, but haha, your boy didn't feel like doing it before I was onto this YouTube grind. Sorry I haven't been posting very often. You know, school has started remote learning and it actually sucks. So anybody who is doing remote learning, I feel you. But she lives in this massive enclosure that I built for her with a UVB bulb, some reptile calcium up there, and my beautiful ceramic tortoise. But now let's move on to the oldest, honestly probably the oldest girl, Athena. Oh wait, you can't see her because she's right here. Ready? I'm gonna poke her tail. Oh. Let's just say she's been doing this and it's annoying. Oh, I hear you hissing. I hear you hissing. And I can barely actually get to her right now because it's a okay. Come here. Oh, is she going to expose her face? Oh. Maybe. Oh, here you are. I'm gonna get her out, and then we can actually talk about her, because she's a hissy fit. Well, now I have her out. She is going to slowly run away from me. But she is my, well, blue-tongued skink. My very fat, old, hissy blue-tongued skink. I love her. I adopted her, probably like 3 weeks now. She still hates me. Oh, hi. She's gotten into the bad habit of going under her mulch, even though she has two hides and she doesn't bask very often. She only comes up for food, which she doesn't even eat the lettuce out of. Yeah, you're a hissy fit, aren't you? But, I mean, she's a great girl. I love her. I got the enclosure with her. She's a handful, let's just say that. But she is my 7-year-old. Don't actually know what morph she is. She looks just like a normal blue-tongued skink. But she is my Indonesian blue-tongued skink. She lives in a 55 to 65 gallon enclosure. I really love the design the guy built for her. I really would not have done any better. Probably would have done worse, gonna be honest, but I'm going to take this design of her enclosure. Oh, now you're gonna try to move again? Oh, yep. She doesn't want to be here. Let's just say that. Well, I'm gonna let her do that while I keep talking about her enclosure. Hi. She's mad, but I would like to get her a side opening enclosure. That's what I'm saving up to do, actually. But she is my, let's just say, hissy fit of the group. I would have liked a young blue-tongued skink, but the guy wanted to rehome her, so she's mine now. She was not held very much because she does not like being held. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. But she is a beautiful girl. She has almost bitten me like once or twice, you know. Okay. You can't get in that crevice. No, you can't. I'm sorry, I don't have the zoom feature anymore. And you have nubs, so you can't actually move anywhere. There you go. Well, I'm going to put her away, and let's talk about this thing. If you've watched the Doobie Roach video, you know what that is. I'm gonna go put her away and we can talk about that, because she's about, oh god, okay, I'm gonna, back up, thank you. Okay, well, I'm gonna put her away and get to the other thing. Now, we're gonna look at this thing. That was loud. This is my Doobie Roach enclosure. Let's see if we can find a Doobie Roach. I need to take that one out. Oh my goodness, they're all at the bottom, which is really annoying because I have to deconstruct this gigantic stack of random egg cartons. Yeah, oh yeah. They've definitely started breeding because there are a ton of little ones, which is actually great. Oh, there's the male. Oh, okay, he's gone. But there are so many Doobie Roaches I can start feeding off to Athena, so I don't have to pay. Oh my god, these things run so fast. Come here. I want to pick you. These things are really annoying to grab. Okay, look at that. Okay. That is, if you will focus, please, a full-grown female. Please focus a little better. Can't focus that. Okay. Well, that's as far as I'm going to get, but this is a full-grown female Doobie Roach, and they have been breeding like mad, which is great, because I'm still spending money. Oh, you're running. Okay, I'm going to put you down then. They've been breeding like crazy, which is really nice for... Oh, you can kind of see her. I don't have the zoom feature because I broke my lens. Don't ask. It's a long story. But we're just going to put everything back here. I was going to do this as one video of showing you my dubia roaches. It's kind of stupid because they're literally just a colony of feeder roaches. Which, Jake the Snake, if you're still watching this, thank you so much for sending or giving me these, because they were a great help. And this dubia roach, oh, yes, go that way, okay. But that is going to do it for this episode of All in Reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to post Mondays and Thursdays. It's very hard to with school because we have 80-minute classes on Zoom, and it's for remote learning. And I'm going to hate this. So, write in the comments if you have to go through remote learning. If you do, I feel for you because I'm doing the same exact thing. But I'm All in Reptiles. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next adventure.